Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial using products that I recently bought from Mirenesse, which is a fancy brand, and I've used them previously. I've used some of their products, like their lip glosses and some of their foundations and like blushes and stuff, and they've been really good. This time I thought I would try their eyeshadows and also something fun that I have never tried before, and we will get to that because it's gonna be fun. But anyway, the palette that I bought is actually their 20th anniversary solid gold eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging, it is stunning. They actually released 3 different kinds of these and they all have different color eyes on them. So I believe it's meant to be like this is suited to people with blue eyes. I could be wrong though. This one's actually called the One Solid Gold palette, like #1. And this is how it looks on the inside. As soon as I saw it, I was like, this is stunning. And this was definitely my favorite one. Comes with an awesome mirror too, which is really cool. It's got a little frosted sticker on it. And it says stay beautiful up the top of the sticker. Isn't that sweet? I love it. Okay, but anyway guys, I am going to do a quick little look with this one for you right now. And we will see how we go. So first off, I'm just going to take a fluffy shader brush and pop into this shade here. There's only 2 matte shades in the palette, this one and this one. The rest of them appear to be shimmers, which is fine. I just didn't realize that. But this is going to be my crease shade. Just because it's quite dark, I'm going to base it a bit more in the outer corners and just kind of like dust it through my crease. There we have that done. Now I'm going to pop into this beautiful pink shade here with my finger. And this is going to be my lid shade. We're going for a reasonably sultry look today. I'm just going to go back into the crease shade and just blend this a little bit more into my outer corners and through the crease. Just like that. And now I'm going to take this little fluffy brush here and pop into this top corner, the darkest shade in the palette. I'm just going to do a little smoky sort of wing down here. I'm not sure if it's going to do that much, to be honest with you. That may blend in too well, but anyway, that is the darkest colour that we have. So it's what we're using today. That is what we're going with. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna use this little brush again and rub that on the back of my hand to get off the excess of that product. I'm just gonna pop into the matte shade and run this all the way along my lower lash line, while focusing it a bit more on the outer corners and just dragging it across. I might actually just go a little bit into this dark purple colour too and just run that just to connect the wing to the outer corner on the lower lash line as well. And now I'm just gonna pop into, ooh, it's not like a really great inner corner highlight. I feel like they're all kind of deep. I'm just gonna pop into this matte shade here, and pop that on my inner corners, just right here, just to give it a really light base. And then I'm gonna pop into this gold colour here and just go over that a little bit where I put the matte shade just to give it some shine. I'm actually also going to take that just a little bit up the lid, just slightly like dusting it, just because I feel like that looks really nice. I really like that colour. Oh, I feel like this looks really cute. Okay guys, I think that's done. I'm just going to quickly chuck on some eyeliner and I will be back for the fun product for us to do together. There we go. I just chucked on a brown eyeliner because I thought that would go quite well with this. It's like sort of like a burgundy colour, and considering it's more like soft glam, I didn't want to go super black. So the fun product that I have for you today is falsies, which I never use on myself. I think I've tried to use them twice and both times I have completely failed and screwed up my makeup look, and I was running late for something as well, so I had to run out the door, so I had to quickly like draw eyeliner over where I'd stuffed up the glue because like I just can't do them. But anyway, there have been like a lot of new inventions to make falsies easier for people like me who are like incapable of putting them on. So I actually purchased one of the ones that attach with the eyeliner from Mirenesse. So this is their Lash Bond Liner 12-hour bond for all fake lashes. It's called Magmatic. And to go with this, I got their stunning Miranda lashes. They actually have quite a thin band too. So let's see how we go with this. I've never used these before, so this could be a massively fun experience. I'm moving this closer. So it just says application, trim lashes, need scissors. Then shake lash bond liner, line eyes, press lash onto wet liner. It is 1 pair of synthetic silk fibre lashes, and they're cruelty free as well and 100% Australian owned, which is awesome. I didn't realise this brand was Australian. Anyway, ooh, they feel really soft. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna, ooh, they already feel sticky. Is that normal? They're like glued to the packaging. I'm scared. I know you're supposed to like make them more flexible, but I don't know if that's for this sort of lash. Do you think that's too long? It's almost impossible to tell. I feel like it's like perfect. I don't know if I need to cut them. How do you know if you need to cut them? Look at that. Done. Okay. I'm not gonna cut them because I don't want to ruin them, which I've realized could actually be a mistake because I know most people cut them. But maybe I have like weirdly big eyes, so I don't need to cut them, or like, you know, big eyes, so I don't need to cut them. It might not be weird. Maybe a lot of people have the same size eyes as fake eyelashes. I'm just pulling them both off just so they're ready. But obviously I'm only going to do one eye at once because I think that's probably the best way to do it. So I've made the bands reasonably flexible. Ah, where did it go? Ah, it's on me. It's on my pants. All good. My god, I'm like, is this, which eye is this? I've made a mistake. I pulled them both off and now I regret this. I think this was the far eye. The far eye, what does that mean? Okay. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this. Oh my god, guys, I actually don't remember. You know what? I feel like this one is this one, and this one is this one. So this one goes here, and this one goes here. Let's hope I remember how I did that. So I'm just gonna shake this and do this eye on camera. I'm just gonna do a really little wing, hopefully. We'll see what happens, like a really little line. Oh, what have I done? I've like drawn it down. Whoops. That is a great look. Okay, that's a bit of a weird squiggle, but that is what we're going with. Because I don't know how long it takes to dry and I'm a bit afraid. Oh my god, I did, oh my god guys, I freaking forgot again. You know, I feel like it kind of doesn't matter. Let's try this. I'm so afraid. Okay, I did it, and I definitely think I should have cut them a little bit. But I'm really proud of myself. Oh my god, I didn't even stick this back on properly. I'm just gonna do something that you probably shouldn't do and pop a bit more liner here and just pop this part on there. Look at me go! I did it! Oh my god, I'm super impressed. I definitely would say you probably should cut them. I feel like I needed to cut them like 2mm just because they come in here a bit funny. But actually, I feel like that was reasonably easy. I've never been able to put falsies on before, so I'm super impressed. Except now I just have this little black thing down here, which looks a bit strange. But anyway, I'm going to do this eye off camera just because you're not going to be able to see it very well. So I'll be back in a second, hopefully with 2 beautiful eyelashes. Okay, guys. So I have just finished that eye, obviously, and I've also chucked on some mascara because you're supposed to put mascara on after you do lashes to like marry your eyelashes to the fake lashes so they all like sit together and look really nice. And I also put it on my bottom lashes, and I just chucked on a reasonably nude cool toned lip that I am digging right now, and we are done. And I absolutely love this look. This was a really fast tutorial, I feel. I'm sorry if you wanted like a more complex look, but I'll do more tutorials with this palette in the future because I feel like it's like such a random like palette and it could have so many good looks in it, like this, all these cool toned like greens and blues. I am in love with this. I feel like this worked so well, like it blended out beautifully, all the colors look so nice together and I just love it. And this is insane. I actually can't believe how easily I did this. I'm shocked. Like actually shocked. I know I haven't done it perfectly, and I think next time that I use them, like it's not sticking quite down there, I think I will trim them because I think I've made it come in too far. And I haven't done the best, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done the best liner either. So it's a bit like wonky, but I feel like it looks so nice. And I'm so glad that I can just so easily do this rather than having to try and put the glue on the lashes and then attach them like to the base of my eyelashes on my eye, because usually I just like end up doing this and sticking it to the skin and then you rip it off and then it pulls off all like the eyeshadow and eyeliner that was under it anyway. And I almost always use eyeliner, so I'm happy to have like a texture like this that I can just do this, or even if I did it on top of like my winged liner that I'd already done, I feel like it would look really nice. This is awesome. But yeah, I would honestly recommend both of these products. Like, oh well, all of these products. I think I bought the eyelashes and the pen as a set, and I'm not gonna lie, they weren't super cheap because Mirenesse is like a more expensive, like it's not luxury, but it's like a higher end brand, so I'm sure you could get like a more affordable version of this that would probably work just as well. I'm not sure, maybe this has like an amazing hold power that like other brands that are like more affordable might not have, but I do not know because I have not experienced them, unfortunately. But like how much I love this, I'm willing to obviously purchase more lashes in the future and purchase different ones of these because obviously this pen isn't going to last me forever, so I will need to get more in the future if I want to keep doing this. I also am interested in the magnetic lashes as well, but this brand, like I've wanted to purchase this palette for so long, so when I saw they had like this sort of glue and lashes, I was kind of like, let's just give this a go, even though it wasn't the magnetic ones. But yeah, I feel like this was so easy. I honestly don't think that the magnetic ones, like the magnetic liner, would be any easier than this. Surely not. I could be wrong though. I guess we'll find out eventually. If you have any tips or anything like this, how I could do this better in future, like if you think I can, because like I don't know if I can right now. I'm like, I feel like it looks really good. Let me know down below and I will be grateful for that. So thank you guys. I honestly am loving this look so much. It's like super sultry and romantic, and the fluttery natural eyelashes, like maybe they're a bit more than natural, but I feel like they look really cute. And it's actually on my anniversary today with my boy, so I am loving this like romantic look, even though we have just gone back into lockdown for 7 days. For now, it might be extended in Melbourne, that's where I am. So it's gonna be a romantic night in with my family and the boy, which will be fun, but I'm still excited for it because it's a celebration, you know? I like celebrations. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you have any questions about the products that I used or anything that I did, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I will see you soon. Hi guys, today's gonna be, this occasion I experimented. Ooh, that's not the right color. And now I am at hold powder or something, like hold power. If you have any questions about anything that I did, whatever,